The idea is to have as much freedom as possible in your lives. Cryptocurrencies represent a way towards that freedom.
Bitcoin as a monetary use case has the most impact to this society.
I think we have three main bottlenecks. One is onboarding. How do you get on board? How do I buy cryptocurrency? Just opening the account is such an overhead for the average user. It's ridiculous.
We haven't started thinking about it because nobody had to think about it. And now when we need to think about it, there will be a lot of answers.
Then the second main issue is how do you hold on to your cryptocurrency? I mean, just opening a wallet, keeping those 12 words and making sure that you don't lose them. You can't keep it on your phone if it's a big amount because somebody will hack it. Then you need a hardware wallet. It's not something that every person can do.
What's the biggest challenge of having a decentralized currency is security.
And then at the end, there's the usability of it. How do you convince people to spend an asset that they believe will be worth more tomorrow at the price that it is today? How do we take a community whose main flag is hodl, don't use the currency, and convince them to use the currency?
Once you adopt a cryptocurrency, you're essentially cutting out the bank.
When you try to buy Bitcoin and your bank tells you you can't use your money for something that is completely legal, that is the best argument you could have for buying Bitcoin in the first place. Because that's when most people first realize how little control they have over their own funds.
So cryptocurrency, what's the point of it? The point is to get out of the banking system.
And we're seeing this line in the sand being drawn these days and people are choosing sides.
There's more negative activity happening with the US dollar than any other currency on the planet by far. But everybody still uses the US dollar.
You guys are moving from place to place and doing meetups and can see and feel the community. How do you deal with the difference between the people that are in it for the money? They want yachts and the stuff they see in the movies. And there are the people that are in it for the ideological sense. Decentralize the money, decentralize the system, that you have more control over your everything in a sense. How can we put everybody together in a room and everybody will be happy? The one that wanna do a quick pump and dump, and the people that wanna promote a revolution for humanity.
You're touching upon a very, very sensitive point in the community right now.
One thing I learned after hosting 167 meetups in Tokyo is that I cannot change other people. I can only change myself.
I think it's one of the biggest aspects that people don't look at when it comes to cryptocurrencies.
Bitcoin is so expensive.
The exchange rate is high because there's more demand than there is supply, right?
What's going to happen with, say, Bitcoin when we reach 21 million coins and then there's no more coins to mine?